Hey, look at this. Got a swarm last night and I picked it up this morning, and my woman suggested that we simulate a honeybee nest in a wall cavity. So I attached the box, the swarm box, to the interior of the shed stroke greenhouse, and I'm going to box that in and just see if this works and see how long the nest will last. And she also pointed out that we don't have any honey in the house, which is a bit of a surprise considering all the work that I do with the bees and the log hives. And so she has a good point. So on the side wall of the box inside, I attached a big mason jar to a 1-inch hole with a queen excluder. So I'm hoping that they'll fill up that jar pretty quickly. And by the way, the swarm in this box is a huge one. So I'm hoping that this will be a good study of a wall cavity simulation, and we'll get some honey from it. Yay!